Now for something really different. As you can see, we're shooting a lot of revolvers today. This is a German. It looks like a Smith & Wesson 686, but it's made by Erma Work. It's their model 777, model 777, and it mimics the 686 or 586. However, it's made in Germany, the home of Korth, so we know it's going to be good. Try 6 shots right at the center of the silhouette. Left. A couple I pulled left, but this has got a very, very high quality feel to it. You know, Erma's been making guns for a long time, and wow, it's probably better quality than a Smith & Wesson. One thing, Erma knows how to make semi-autos and revolvers. I don't know what year this is from. It's probably from the 70s or 80s, but what a beautiful revolver. I love the wide trigger on it. Okay.